Very good luck to all of you. And so he said, oh, okay, I will do it. And I was just doing my homework. I still remember that. Winning number 17 black, part of the orphanline section. Congratulations to all of the winners. But we're now opening. And he told me, oh, after a couple of minutes, oh, Eleanor, it's ready. Just come here and eat. And I was like, okay, just wait a couple of minutes. Let's spin a ball. Now we're back for now. Let's unveil those fortune numbers. 17, 24, and 25 with 120 as ice fortune multiplier, 11 bonus game, 27 just collect your good luck to all of you. And I went into the kitchen and saw a plate with my burger. Nothing weird about that. Look at that, everyone. Was that a fortune win with how much? 48 as fortune multiplier. 20 fortune win with 180 as fortune multiplier. 32 red part of the was on the 0 section. It's our winning number. My congratulations. To all of the winners, bets are open. So let's spin the ball once again. Now we're bets for now. Let's unveil those fortune numbers. 11 and 3 with 180 as ice, fortune multiplier, and 29 as the bonus game. Best of luck to all of you. And I just went to my room and my mom just gave me, it was like a shaving cream but for burns. I don't know. Winning number 29 black, part of the wasn't, wait, what? 31 black, part of the.
During the previous round, there is 23 red high number part of their section. Second column and the second dozen. Compliments to all the winning hands. The betting time is open. And then now the bets are closed. Good luck. Seven red. In this round, winning number is 7 red. Part of was in the serious section. First column, first of the Leona odd number. Compliments to all the winning hands. The bets are open for you. Betting time is closed. The best of luck. Six black.
Simply place your bets. And in one night, she decided to go and sing with these two friends of hers. Listen to the ball. But she don't have a 21 years old yet, so let's unlock this mega luck numbers. 23 with 100 decks is the mega multiplier. Best of luck. The winning number is 16 red, rate of care section, my compliments to all the winners. And the winning time is now over you, so please place your bets. So she needs to do something, she needs to have a free good to go into club. Actually, it's boring, it's much more boring if I understand right. Let's spin the ball. Bets are now closed. Let's unlock those mega lucky numbers. Here you have 0, 8, 50, 28, and 34 with 100x as the mega multiplier. This is flop. The winning number is 61, the break of your section.
Now winning number 3 red is a low odd number from the first and third column part of the buzz on the 0 also 0 game section. Compliments all the winners, the bets are now open. The bets are now closed. No, because I haven't cooked anything. I didn't have time. 25 red. Now winning number 25 red is a high odd number from the third and first column part of the bottom of the 0 section. Compliments all the winners, the bets are now open. The bets are now closed. Now I'll do some carbonaras. That's all. 30 red, but nothing traditional. Now winning number 30 red is a high even number from the third and third column part of the 50th section. Compliments all the winners, the bets are now open. No. The bets are now closed. No, never. $19 red.
Bets accepted. $15 black. Please place your bets. Bets accepted. $32 red. You win.
Eight, 9, 12, 32. My second multiplayer will beat 180 on 3 of the numbers. Good luck, I love you. We got a winning pocket 16 right here. Section low and even number, everyone. Congratulations and compliments to the lucky winners.